All right, so it dawned on me that a lot of people wanted to know or wanted to see how the AirPod Pro would connect to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So like I said, this is the Note 10 Plus right here. Now, in order to pair these, you are going to basically just go into your Bluetooth settings. So I got my Bluetooth open, and it's gonna basically pop up down here. So what I'm going to do is open these up, and I'm gonna press the sync button on the back and put them into a syncing mode. AirPods Pro, there we go, and then they connect. So we are connected right now, and there we go. So my favorite app to use with my AirPods on my Android is called Podroid, and I've done a video of that. I'll link that video down below. So basically it's gonna allow these AirPods to pop up on the screen just like they would with a Apple device. So we're gonna try it again. I'm just gonna show you that this does work. I'm gonna open up these AirPods. They are now connected, and they should automatically connect, and boom, app pops up. It's going to tell you how much charge the case has, how much charge the actual headphones have. Now, as far as having any extra settings, that's all that you get on Android. You get calls and audio. So if you can actually rename them on your Android as well, just like you can on the iPhone. But if you want any of those extra settings to be reset, you're gonna have to configure those from an Apple device. So since there are no taps with this, you're not gonna double tap or triple tap anymore. You're going to basically be pressing on the little indentation right there. So one press is going to skip your song forward, and I actually put one in my ear, and I'm gonna start up some music. So I actually got some music going, and I have the earbud in my right ear. So I'm gonna do a single tap or a single press on that little indentation, and it stops the music. You can see on the screen it stopped. I'm gonna press it again. There we go. Now let's do this. 1, 2 on the earpiece, and it changes that song. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Goes back. 1 goes back. Now you can still change the transparency and the noise cancellation mode by holding that little indentation, and it changes from noise cancellation to transparency and vice versa, which I can't really show you that on the screen. But sound quality is still great with these, especially in that noise cancellation mode. I can barely hear myself talking in that right ear. But all of your settings are going to basically work the same. So we know that Apple has the audio share, and Samsung has had that for a while, so that's nothing new. So if you want to actually connect another pair of headphones, you just come into your Bluetooth setting. You're going to go up to advanced, and here you're going to hit dual audio. And if you have 2 audio devices connected, it's going to allow you to listen to the same music out of both of these devices at the same time. Now keep in mind, both of these devices will be able to control the music, so what one person does on their end will control what you're hearing on your end. But other than that, everything sounds really good. Highs are really crisp, lows, bass, everything is good, mids sound really good, and you're going to be able to use this with your Samsung devices, so that's a big plus. It's not just exclusive to Apple's universe. So also your Note 10 Plus supports wireless power share, so it's ready to charge. I got it activated already. You're just going to pull down from up here and activate right there. Once it's active, you flip it over on the back, take your AirPod Pro, drop it on, light comes on, you got charging enabled on the go. Now you shouldn't need to do this because this case is going to supply you with 24-hour battery life, but just in case you forget to charge it one time, you flip that phone over, you lay it down, it starts to charge automatically. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I'm going to be sure and drop a link to these so you can check them out for yourself. I'm also going to drop a link to that Podroid app. Then you'll be able to go and download that. Now, it does come with ads. If you want to get rid of the ads, it costs like $1, but you'll be able to have that on your screen showing you what your case charge looks like, as well as your earbuds charge looks like. So until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.